how to cancel premium membership on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually cancel your premium membership on YouTube, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually cancel the premium membership on YouTube, all you have to do is just go ahead and simply open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, go to www.youtube.com. Once you go to youtube.com, you'll come to this page over here where you just need to click the profile icon from the top right hand side, and here you'll find the option called paid membership, or also known as purchases and membership. So when you go to paid membership or purchase and membership, you'll be able to see a list of subscriptions that you have. Depending upon the type of subscriptions that you might want, I want you to just go ahead and actually find all the subscriptions, and then you should be able to go ahead and then actually cancel them accordingly from here. This is simply how you can go ahead and then cancel your YouTube premium subscription. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.